is Peter Patterson, and I'm here to talk to you today about my experience with IndiCure Tours in India, health tours in India. I decided that I would need to come to India to have this procedure, which was a total knee replacement for my right knee, because at the time I was in danger of losing my job had I not had it done. As a result of this, I researched IndiCure Health Tours by searching the internet, and I was pleasantly surprised to find out everything about them via a Google search, and then made immediate contact with them, and they supplied all the information that I needed, supply me with a quote and all the logistics involved in having the operation done, from the travel to the hotel to the hospital, the surgery and the recovery. I can tell you quite honestly, it has been an absolutely fine experience. I was walking within 4 days of my robotic surgery and my total knee replacement. I cannot praise the staff of the hospital highly enough, and I also cannot praise highly enough all the help and advice and organizational abilities of the guys in IndiCure. It has been an absolutely seamless undertaking, and I am extremely grateful for all the help at every turn that we've been given, and I would highly recommend anybody who requires any form of surgery, whether it's cosmetic surgery or knee replacements, shoulder replacements, hip replacements, whatever you need, IndiCure Health Tours can set it up for you. But my advice to you is to look up IndiCure Health Tours, research them, and go with them, because everything about them is genuine from the start to the end. I cannot recommend them highly enough, and feel free to contact me if you wish to.